Songesand bed ready.
Yeah. So first we need to keep it here, no?
Yeah.
Okay. It's locked in.
Hold it here.
Nice.
Yes.
So now we have to lock this, no?
Actually, you need to get it here. I think you should get it there. Ma, long one is fine.
Yeah, no, the bottom.
Good there. Four metal pieces.
Don't leave it. Don't leave it on the cardboard.
Yeah, lean it against the wall.
So make it stand like this.
Yeah.
Leaning on the wall.
Yeah.
That's fine.
So now this, you can see the holes are facing outside.
It will go. No, it will go.
No, we can just do it.
That's it. Now
It will go. It's supposed to show like that.
Yeah, okay.
Because this will.
You want some help?
Don't lift it, yeah.
Again come down. These dowel pins, 16 of them, are to be used in these planks. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that side, and similarly in this plank as well. Look at the various parts of the Songesand bed spread out in this room.